I got a tortilla. I got a tortilla. I got a tortilla. I love my mom so much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm actually really excited. I have a segment where I call it Real Talks with Ro, but this one is not gonna be a Real Talks with Ro. I'm just gonna like do my makeup. But in that like little series or whatever, I like to showcase some artists that I really love. So this time I just asked you guys to just send me some of your guys' pictures that you guys really like. Because I want to showcase some artists that I believe deserve more recognition, and maybe you guys can find some artists that you guys really like. So I'm going to be putting like screenshots of their photos on like somewhere right here. Also, this is a recreation of Shannon's look. So this is her look right here. It's a video. I will place like a picture right here. Oh my goodness, like when I saw this look, I was like, I'm recreating that. I'm gonna do it today, and this is how it turned out. I really do like it. So please make sure you check out Shannon. She's incredible. She's amazing. Like her blending ability is bomb. And again, I hope that you guys find an artist that you really love. Please make sure that you check some of this out. Yes, my page is small. Maybe it won't get like these people a lot of exposure, but someone will see their artistry and like it. So please make sure that you like them. And also, before we get into the tutorial, if I didn't add your photo on here, please don't be sad or mad at me or anything like that. I really try to fit as much as artists as I can into the video. I promise I will continue to make more of these videos, so please don't get mad at me, okay? I'm taking my Milani concealer to prime my eye. I'm not using the P. Louise base today. I'm taking Certified's Dynasty palette. I'm using the purples up here and the greens up down here. I can't speak. I'm gonna shove it right here. Like why? Why do you gotta be so loud, sir? Can't you just take your phone call outside? It's funny because I can't tell him that, you know what I'm saying? That's my dad, like, and he pays rent. Like, I don't. I definitely am not paying any rent, you know? Who am I? No one. Absolutely no one. The Lord. Am I in focus? Please be in focus. Please. So I was having like a really rough week, and I was saying on Twitter that I was gonna take a break, but that's a lie because I just can't. Like, every time I try to take a break from the one thing that I love so much, which is obviously filming, making videos, you know, creating looks and contents, like, it just doesn't work, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is really what I truly love, and I feel like if I really need the break, I'll take it, but like, I just feel like I'm also one of those type of people that like I have to be doing at least something, or I just start to get like really sad, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want to be sad, you know what I'm saying? Like, I hate the feeling of being sad and not doing anything, so I just can't get away from it, you know? This is the brush that I was using. This is the brush that I was using. Also, I thought it would be great to bring back my series where I showcase smaller artists, because like I think it's just so important to do that, because there's room for everyone in this industry. Like, I am kind of tired of it always just being like the same 3 people. Hey, heater. You guys know I always get super cold. I'm sorry. I always have to have like the heater right by me. I'm sensitive. But yeah, like I just feel like there's room for everyone in this industry, and so it's like, for me, I feel like it's so important to showcase that. And like, you know, last time I did one of these, I had people saying like, well, like, who's going to see your video? You're a small YouTuber. And you know what? Yeah, you're right. You know, a lot of people won't watch this video or whatever, but that's fine. Like, the people that do watch it will find some new artists to follow, and I think that's really what matters, you know what I'm saying? What matters is that people are actually trying to at least like showcase smaller artists. Like, I mean, who cares if my platform is small? Like, one day it won't be small, so how about that? So, you know, I just really wanted to bring this series back. I don't want to take this shadow all the way up to my brow. I just want to make sure that this part is kind of like, because I didn't take it all the way to my brow over here, and it looks really nice. I have to burp. Oh my god, I have to burp. I'm sorry. That tortilla actually hurt my stomach. Ugh. My stomach is also so sensitive. Yeah, I didn't want to take it all the way to my brow because it looks nice, like how I did it over here as well. So I kind of just want to keep it right here. Also, the talent in like the industry is just so like crazy. Like, everybody is so damn talented, and like, I just feel like people deserve to get recognized for their work. You know what I'm saying? I hope you know what I'm saying, you know? Also, if I don't put you in this video, I'm so sorry. I try to put at least like, you know, a good amount of people in it. Please don't be upset if you're not in here. I'm gonna make more of these, I promise. Okay, you guys know I don't have my makeup remover anymore, the DHC oil makeup remover thingy, so I've been like doing it with a wet wipe, and I just take it where I want to cut my crease and clean it. And I'm gonna clean it with concealer anyways, so it might not be perfect right now, but it will be, you know. I just do this. It's gonna give me a very clean, very nice cut. Some people get mad too when I just do like cut creases, but again, like I just like these are like my favorite type of eye, and like sometimes I want to do things that I like, you know what I'm saying. Obviously I create content for you guys, but I also create it for me, you know what I'm saying, for me. Sorry, I got carried away and just like turned off the camera and then kept cutting the crease. Dude, I do this shit all the time where this eye, like the lid always comes out bigger than this one, but like whatever, you know what I'm saying. Again, I'm not going anywhere. I don't go anywhere anytime I film these videos, anytime I do these looks. Like who cares? Who cares? Not me. I'm actually taking a small liner pencil, not pencil, brush, oh my god, and I am just being more detailed with my cuts because I like a lot of precision, you know what I'm saying. I like a lot of cleanness, even though in real life I'm not that clean. I'm just clean with my looks, you know. That was so ugly. And then with my T88 brush, I'm just wiping down that concealer that I used to add on to my lid, because I don't want a lot of concealer on there. Sometimes what happens when you add too much concealer onto your lid, it gets like gloopy and weird and your product starts to ball up. So don't use too much concealer on your lid, because yeah, it's not gonna be cute. Just enough to where your like shimmers are going to stick to the base. I'm gonna take the shimmery shadows right here, the green one and then the purple one right here. I'm going to place those on the lid. On the lid. Heater, why you keep turning on for? Oh my god, I have so much gas. Hold on, you guys, I'm so sorry. Also, every time I get into a funk, I want to watch the Twilight movies because the Twilight movies have a very special place in my heart, and I will tell you why. So when the movies were coming out, you know how like when I think like in Twilight, was she a freshman or a junior? I don't remember, but whatever she was, I was too. And then I think when like they were seniors, I was a senior. So every time, like each year that I was going through in high school, the movies were coming out each year, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So it was like always very special to me. And then when I graduated, they had graduated too. So like those movies like have a special place in my heart. And I hate when people drag them because they're like some of the greatest movies ever. I do not care what anybody has to say. We can fight, we can debate, and then on top of that, the soundtrack slaps. Like it is such a good soundtrack, and it's one of my favorite ones from like any movie. And it's just like, you know, I just feel like Twilight was really that girl. And so I like really want to watch them because I like usually would watch them when I was like, you know, having like a shitty time or I was feeling really anxious and like depressed or whatever. Like I would always watch them. I would literally watch them in one day, in one night. Like I remember I stayed up like all night till like 7 or 8 in the morning watching those movies. Also, I want to know Team Edward or Team Jacob. To be honest with you, I always felt kind of bad for Jacob because he was always chasing Bella and her little pearl, and you know, I felt bad for him, you know what I'm saying. But I always like really loved Edward, you know what I'm saying. Like I just can't, I don't know which one. Can I just be Team Emmett, whatever, you know. By the way, I'm adding the purple shimmer into the green and then creating like a really nice gradient in between. It's gonna mix together and it's gonna create like just a really nice gradient. All right, you guys, I finished the lid. I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple and just create like a little liner at the end. I'm gonna use the green to do this with. I'm just gonna use the purple, just like a little line, and it doesn't even have to be like that clean or anything like that. Just create one that follows up like upward right here. I can't speak, oh my gosh. I'm gonna clean it up. I just don't really appreciate how like my other eye always comes out way better, man. Like I just want to fight it sometimes, you know. Like bro, why can't you just like get it together? Eyeliner on this side always looks really good, and this side it just looks like caquita. Life isn't fair, I get it, but you don't always have to drag me. Ooh. You know when you were younger and you would cry and you'd be like, ooh. Did anyone else cry like that? Maybe not. Maybe it was just me, but like I always really cried ugly. I still cry really ugly. Insert photo of me crying to Moonlight, the movie, because it was so sad. I just love that movie so much. Like, oh my gosh. Like it really, like I'm so glad it won over that La La movie, because I don't know anything about the Lala movie at all, and I don't think I would watch it because what is it, like a musical? Not that I'm shitting on musicals, please don't drag me. I can't get into them, you know what I'm saying? Like my best friend Melissa, like she loves musicals and she's like, she knows I don't like them, so every time she's like, oh, I have a movie to recommend you, I'm just like, is it a musical? And she'd be like, oh, I forgot you don't like it. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. I be blabbering on, huh? Like I just talk and talk and talk, but it's cool. Like, okay, I cleaned it up. I think that's okay. I think that looks good. All right, guys. I already had like a layer of foundation on. It was like very thin. I just went back and added it around my eye area. It was the Makeup Forever foundation stick. I'm gonna go in with my Milani concealer. It's the Conceal Plus Perfect. It's my favorite one. I know I keep using it in all of my videos, but honestly it's my favorite. It's really, really good on my dry ass skin. That's the type of skin that I have. It's very, very dry. It's acne prone, of course, so I just really like it because it's not like this concealer, it's not like it's over drying, like, you know what I'm saying? I think it's supposed to be kind of mattifying, but it's not that mattifying, you know what I'm saying? So I really, really do like it. And then I'm just going to go in with a little blender thingy and blend this out just to blend everything out. I freaking love this concealer. It's just so good. Oh my goodness. And then I get like really red around this area, so I just like to stick my finger in my nose and put some concealer on there, whatever's like left over, and the sponge, I just do that and then just blend this little area out as well. I have an itch, sorry. And then I'm gonna go in with my Milani translucent powder in light to medium. The powder is my favorite. I don't use it to bake. I just go in quickly and just set my under eyes because I have dry skin again, so I don't like to bake under there. So just press in the powder, then whatever is like left on the cap, which is not ever like that much, I take it and I go around my face, push it into my skin, and then onto my forehead like so. This is an eye look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love myself sometimes, you know? Just kidding. No, I do. You know what? I do love myself. You should too. I have to start using new highlighters because I use the same highlighters in every video and I think people get annoyed. Sweet home Alabama, ma'am. Let me spray my face with the Wet n Wild Cucumber. What is this? 3-in-1 primer water. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Mario Badescu, who? Then I think I'm gonna grab Moonchild. I think I'm gonna take Pink Heart. You guys know I really like pink highlights because they're so pretty. Ignore the other side. I use Lucky, what is it? Lucky Clover, and it's like green and like icy. I can't use that. That doesn't look good on my face. And then on my crusty ass lips, I'm so sorry that I never add any chapsticks and you guys have to like deal with the fact that my lips are crusty. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just ate good today, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm burping so much. My mom really hates when I burp, but she doesn't watch my videos fully. Like, she doesn't watch them, so it's like, you know, she can't just tell me anything, you know what I'm saying? I mean, please don't tell me anything, you know what I'm saying? It's normal to burp, okay? We all burp, we all poop. I listened to Hosier's, I think I'm probably saying it wrong, album, and it is so good. He's so like, he sings like so angelic, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, that man is just, my boyfriend doesn't watch my videos either, but wow. He is a man. Like, I really like the album. It's really, really good. I'm also using this Wet n Wild bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. I'm using it to contour this shade. Then I'm going to clean the bottom of my cheeks. Up like so. So I get a nice, precise, clean cut contour. I always make one higher than the other. Again, nobody's gonna see the side anyway, so who cares? You know what? I'm like the least perfection person. I'm the least perfect. I'm the least, I don't know. I'm not perfect. All right, you guys, I'm going to stick my inner corner star in there. People be yelling at me again all the time because I always forget to do it. And I'm going to take the white in the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to stick that in my inner corner. This is probably like the best white that I've ever used. Oh my gosh, she is white. She's white. I like to like literally pack it on because I need her to be bright and there. And then I'll blend her out because I know she looks like really like crazy right now, but don't worry, she'll be good right now. Okay, then I'm gonna take the inner corner out. Boom! And then I'm adding the purple into my waterline. So I love this pencil brush so much. This is the Makeup Shack T65 brush. And add the green. You know what? My eyes are starting to water again. Like, you know, I think my eyes are really tired of me. I am lining my lips with, what is this, Coffee and Kissy? My dad is a contractor, so that's why he's always like talking on the phone. So that's why like you always hear him and stuff, and like he's always like has to like talk to clients or whatever. So, you know, I feel like he's so loud, like regardless when he's not taking clients or he's not talking to clients, he's just like overly like a loud person, you know what I'm saying? He's wild. Then I'm gonna take my Fenty gloss as always. It's my favorite gloss to use. I use it in every video. Maybe one day, you know, someone can buy me a different gloss, I'll use it, but for now, like, this is my favorite. All right, you guys, so these lashes don't have a name. They're by House of Lashes, and it's the Noir collection or something like that. They're so pretty. They look like this, so I'm gonna use these ones. I like to put on my lashes with a pair of tweezers. Those that do it with your fingers. You guys are demons. You guys are magicians. You guys are witches. No, seriously, you guys are amazing because like I have done them, like I have put them on with my fingers, but I feel like when you do it with the fingers, it's harder. So I use a pair of tweezers to do so, you know what I'm saying? And I like to use the Makeup Shack lash glue. I will switch on and off between this one and the House of Lashes one, but the House of Lashes, this shit is Gorilla Glue for like lashes. She won't let you go. She's put. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I really hope that you guys check out Shannon. Her look was so good. And I hope that you guys found some artists that you guys really like, and you guys can follow them and show them some support. Definitely important, and I know that they would really appreciate it. I hope that I continue to make these videos because I really do like them, and I think again I keep saying they're really important because they really are. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.